Today unboxing is the pair of Mitsubishi Pajero from BM Creations. These are the Hong Kong event exclusive with the 3rd Gen Pajero in Ice Pack theme and the 2nd Gen in Jungle Pack. Box itself is elongated. I don't get the terms junior, I guess because it's in 1:64 scale. Behind is the license info and also the info for the 3rd Gen Pajero is in left-hand drive. This Pajero also includes an additional set of tires branded with BM Creations. The liveries comes in sort of a ice camo with the ice color scheme in white, silver and light grey. This Pajero also comes with opening doors features, but it's pretty risky to open the door. I need to open the doors with the side mirror which is not integrated, hence the risk is there of breaking the side mirror. Realistic rear, I like the spare wheels cover that comes along with a similar camo theme. A rack is also included on the roof without any additional accessories. Next, the 2nd Gen Pajero in Jungle Pack. Same elongated box to house the casting and also the additional accessories. Includes spare tires with BM Creations marking, a pair of jerry cans and also mud flaps. Same risky opening door features. The liveries are labeled with Pajero Super Acid. I think it's cool. I'm not sure whether the weathering is part of the livery design, as the weathering is very random. A rear rack is also included for the 2nd Gen Pajero to house the jerry can. It fits the pair of jerry cans perfectly. Spare tire is also included on the roof, but it's fixated, I can't remove it. I feel that it should be loose, just like the rest of the accessories. On the front plate you can see the Pajero is off-centered. I think it's done on purpose, definitely not on QC. It's interesting to note, most Pajero in this series has an off-centered car plate. Need to double check with the actual Pajero online, or you guys can give me some clue. Overall, I think these castings are well executed, quite an impressive Pajero from BM Creations, and I'm definitely looking forward for more. More BM Creations unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!